Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Oneplus TV has Chromecast built in. This is the only supported path for casting. Once that's clear, make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for device discovery. Open Google Home on your phone and sign into the same Google account used on the TV. From there, press the plus icon to add a device. You're already beginning the discovery and pairing process, which sets the secure link between phone and TV. Once Google Home lists your Oneplus TV, tap it to start pairing. You'll see a PIN or code on the TV screen. You must accept that PIN on your phone to confirm the connection. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. Make sure to grant location and local network permissions when prompted because Android uses these to discover and maintain the cast session. Also allow any specific app prompts for casting. Without those permissions, streaming or screen mirroring will fail or be interrupted. To cast, open a cast-enabled app like YouTube or Netflix and tap the cast icon. Select your Oneplus TV from the list. Once connected, control playback from your phone. You're sending a URL stream, not mirroring the entire phone, so quality and battery use improve. If the TV doesn't appear, restart the TV, phone, and router and rejoin the same Wi-Fi network, then retry pairing. If problems persist, check for TV firmware and app updates. Outdated software often blocks casting compatibility and is the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.